Highway Code, pedestrians, Rule 22. Pelican crossings. These are signal controlled crossings operated by pedestrians. Push the control button to activate the traffic light signal and wait. When the red figure shows, do not cross. When the steady green figure shows, check the traffic has stopped, then cross with care. Again, you only have the protection of the light. Drivers could be otherwise distracted. When the green figure begins to flash, you should not start to cross. The drivers at this point are seeing a flashing amber light and they may go a bit impatiently. If you have already started, you should have time to finish the crossing. Again, this dovetails in with instructions to car drivers to give way to pedestrians still using the crossing on a flashing amber light. But don't rely on other people to follow the rules. Take your safety into your own hands. In the photograph, we have a red man at the top, do not cross. A green man at the bottom, cross with care. A flashing amber light, do not start to cross, but you may finish crossing if you already started, but keep checking that the traffic is waiting patiently. It also says Rule 21, traffic lights, puffin and pelican crossings.